Hello friends. Welcome to Library Facts. Today, we're going to explore an important and often overlooked process, fumigation. Have you ever wondered how libraries protect books from pests and molds? Let's understand how fumigation helps keep books, documents, and shelves safe and clean in libraries. Stay tuned as we unfold this fascinating topic step by step. What is fumigation? Fumigation is a chemical process where gases or fumes are released to kill insects, molds, termites, and harmful microorganisms. This technique is used to disinfect and protect library books, documents, racks, and entire rooms. It is both a preventive and corrective method to ensure long-term safety of collections and rare manuscripts. Why is it needed in libraries? Libraries store thousands of valuable books for long durations. Over time, pests like silverfish, termites, and fungus may attack them. Fumigation eliminates such threats and extends the life of library materials. Several gases are used in fumigation. The most common is ethylene oxide, which is effective against pests and bacteria. Others include methyl bromide, phosphine, and formaldehyde. These gases are toxic and must be handled carefully by trained professionals to avoid health hazards. How is fumigation done? First, the target area is completely sealed. Then the fumigant gas is released and left for a few hours or days. After exposure, the space is fully ventilated to remove toxic residues. The entire process is monitored by experts to ensure safety and effectiveness. Book fumigation is a specialized task. Books are placed in airtight chambers where gas is carefully introduced. The environment is controlled so the paper and ink quality remain unaffected. This is especially important for rare, old, and fragile books. The frequency depends on the library's collection and climate. Usually, fumigation is done every 6 to 12 months. For libraries with rare collections, it is recommended every 3 to 6 months. It's especially important before and after the monsoon season. Fumigation should only be performed by licensed pest control professionals. They are trained to use chemicals safely and follow government guidelines. They wear protective gear and use specialized equipment. DIY fumigation is not safe or recommended. There are some advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are prevents insect damage, controls mold and moisture, increases document life, maintains hygiene for preservation, prepares materials for digitization. Fumigation is an essential part of good library maintenance. Disadvantages are: toxic gases can harm health. Library must stay closed during the process. Mishandling can damage books. That's why it should always be done by trained and certified personnel under safe conditions. If fumigation is not feasible, some alternatives include using naphthalene balls, dry neem leaves, controlling humidity, regular sun drying, and cleaning. Though not as effective, these provide basic protection, especially in small libraries. Is it really necessary? Absolutely. Fumigation is essential, especially for preserving rare and historic materials. It's not just pest control, it's a preservation practice. It protects our cultural and literary heritage for future generations. Even in today's digital era, fumigation plays a vital role. Before digitizing old books and manuscripts, they must be disinfected. That's where fumigation becomes indispensable. Digital preservation begins with safe physical preservation. Many reputed Indian institutions practice fumigation. National Library, Kolkata; Delhi Public Library, IGNCA; Aligarh Muslim University Library. Their strong preservation standards include regular fumigation schedules. Organizations like UNESCO also recommend fumigation as part of document preservation. They offer global guidelines and standards. Key equipment used in fumigation includes gas cylinders, control valves, digital temperature and humidity meters, protective suits, and gas masks. These ensure the process is safe, controlled, and effective. India's National Archives has successfully used fumigation to preserve thousands of historical records. This is proof that with the right technique and timing, Priceless documents can be saved from decay. It's a silent yet powerful tool for heritage protection. In the future, we may see advanced fumigation methods, AI-monitored systems, automated sealed chambers, non-toxic and eco-friendly fumigants. But for now, traditional fumigation remains one of the best tools for library preservation. So friends, this was all about fumigation in libraries. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.